Hello, beautiful people. I'm going to take you for a little walk out here to my car because I'm going to show you something that you will probably not believe if I just told you about it. But I'm supposed to go to Germany. Well, I was supposed to fly to Germany today, and then this happened yesterday. Yep, that is a brick in my grill. So, as I said, I was supposed to be on an airplane to Germany right now. That's a whole nother story why I'm not on that plane. And I came back home. This actually happened yesterday with the grill, but the doorbell rang when I got home. And my neighbor came out and she says, why is there a brick in your grill in the front of your car? What did you run into? And I said, that's a funny story. Let me tell you. So before I tell you the story, I'd like to hear from you guys. What do you think happened? Because it is an interesting story and there's a lesson to all of it. And I will do a little video around the lessons as well. So I'd love to hear from you. What do you think happened? Brick in the grill. Drink more water for sure.